grace, now they overrun am.
So on your browser, you're going to search MusicCreator.ai. This is the website, or you can as well click on the link in the description of this video for you to get access straight away. And it will bring you to this interface right here. So you need to sign up to this website. You're going to click on these three lines right here to sign up. Then if you want to sign up with an email, you can go ahead and do that, or you want to sign up with a Google account, you can go ahead and sign up with a Google account. So here I'm already signed up, and then you come over here to click on create music now. You go ahead and click on it, and then you will be brought right here. You can input your own prompt here to create music. You're going to come over here to input your prompt, which is your music prompt, and then before you can go ahead to generate your music. So the next thing, we're going to head over to ChatGPT to generate our lyrics. So before we continue with the ChatGPT, I want to quickly show you something. Now, this website can help you generate prompt if you don't have an idea of the kind of song you want to generate. This website can actually help you to generate your own prompt, and it will use that prompt to generate your music. Even if you don't have the full lyrics, just type in this box right here the type of song you want to create. Now, take for example, you can see what you have here. It says, describe your music you want to generate, e.g. a relaxing piano piece for studying. You can see, you can just give it a clue and it will generate the whole song for you. Okay, so I'm going to just type here the kind of song I want. And I said an action movie sound, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate. You can see it has started generating my music, my action movie sound. So let's wait for it to generate fully. Now our sound is ready. Let me play it for you to hear. Let me play the second one. You can see that it has given us two different generations, so you can go ahead and just choose any one of them. Okay, so going back, now you can also generate only instrumentals here. You can see here it says instrumental only. When you click on it and you're going to click on generate, it's going to generate another sound for you. So here it is, though it's still loading, but we can just play it briefly. So you can see it's still the same things. Okay, so going back, now I can just give it a clue on the type of music to generate. Now I've given this site a prompt on the kind of music that I want it to generate for me. Okay, so right here you're going to click here and untick instrumentals only, because if you click instrumentals only, it's going to generate only the instrumental. So here I want it to generate a song for me, and I just gave it a clue, a song of hope for a better tomorrow. But if you already have your own prompt, you're going to come over to this place right here. You're going to come over to this place right here, own lyrics. When you click on it, then you will have the space to input your own lyrics. Okay, so let me go back here. Let's see the sound the song is going to generate for us. Now that you have, if you enter your prompts, your idea, you're going to come over here to choose the inspiration. You can see you're going to here, you can check the genre, the mood, the instrument, the ambience, the vocal gender. Here, this is where you're going to set up your music. So for the genre, I can just go ahead and put maybe pop. From pop here, you're going to come over here and choose which of the pop. Okay, let's just go with this one. And then for the mood, Is it an emotional, joyous, sad, angry, and all of that? Okay, with our title, A Hope for a Better Tomorrow. It can be maybe emotional. Then come here to the instrument. You're going to choose the kind of instrument you want here. Okay, maybe just go with violin, go with flute, uh, organ, and maybe drums. This is where you're in the ambience, birdsong, waves, thunder, rainy, venue, forest, city space, tape, campfire. Let's use campfire. And vocal gender. Is it a male voice you want? Is it a female voice? Is it a male and female vocal you want? Okay, let's go with these two, the male and the female vocal. Now, all what we were clicking on, they are going to come here. You can see them here. You can see them right here. They are going to show right here. So now we have all of it set up. Okay, so moving on. This is inspiration. Okay, we already have this set up, and then you're going to go ahead and click on generate. So what we generated is ready. While it's still loading, you can go ahead and play it.
I saw the sky giving to a gray breathing morning.
So the same thing with this one. If you play it, it's going to give you, you're going to get the sound.
I saw the sky giving to a gray breathed morning, but I
You can see it has generated a 3 minutes 42 second music for us. The second one is 3 minutes 44 seconds. So you're going to play both of them. You then and go ahead with the one you prefer the most. So now, if you have your own lyrics, I want to show you how you're going to generate your music with your own lyrics. Okay, then now let's go on to ChatGPT to generate our lyrics. So this is what I give ChatGPT. Here is my prompt, my music prompt that I dropped on ChatGPT to generate for me. Here we have it. I told ChatGPT, said generate a Nigerian gospel song, acknowledging God for all he has done and thanking him for where he has brought me so far and all of that. So I also told ChatGPT that I want a touch of the Nigerian pidgin, and it should also include 5 names of God in Igbo language and in Yoruba language. For each of the language, 5 names of God. I wanted it to be an energetic and danceable song and a piano style of music, and then ChatGPT gave me the whole song. So I'm going to go ahead and copy. So back here, I'm going to come over here on lyrics, then I'm going to impute my prompt here. Now I have my music here. So okay, so here I've imputed the prompt. This is the entire prompt. This is the whole prompt. Got it? Okay. Now, style, say describe the style, the mood, or the genre, e.g., romantic, ballad, gentle, and all of that. And I imputed this prompt as the style of music. I wrote amapiano, Afro gospel, dance, praise, jam, energetic, joyful, spirit lifting, and perfect for Thanksgiving moments. This is the style I've described how I want my own song to be like. So when you describe your song like this, you don't need to come over here to start selecting the type and the style of song. So you already have it there. So it's either you choose from here or you write it in this box right here. Now it says enter music title. It's optional, but I prefer including my title. So I'm going to copy the title from here. I already have it here, so I'm just going to cut it out from here. and then I'll enter my title from grass to grace. So now they said vocal gender. You are going to choose either male, female, or you can just leave it on at random and the app will choose which one is best for you. Then coming over to advanced setting, you can include, you can see weirdness, you can increase it or you can reduce it, style influence, whichever, you can just leave it, and also you can select your preference. Okay, so now we have everything all set up here. Now you can as well, okay, let's generate this first and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so then I'm going to generate, you only need 2 credits to generate your song, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and generate. Okay, so our audio is ready. I'm just going to play both of them briefly for you to listen. So the first one is this.
Everybody make we dance. If God don't do one for me, He go do one for you. From grass to grace, now they overrun.
So you can see exactly the style of music is what we have gotten. Okay, tap on the music right here. This is where it's going to pop up when you play the sound. When you click here, it's going to display the lyrics of the song while the song is playing. You can see. Let me just show you an example. Okay, now I'm playing the song.
Look where you brought me from, Baba. Many years ago, nobody know my name. Today, your favor they speak for me.
You can see that it's displaying, it's just highlighting the lyrics while you are playing the song. Okay, so now we have gotten our song. So this is how easy it is for you to create your own song. All right, moving back here, now you can also record your own voice and or upload an audio clip and it will generate your own song for you. How to do that? Come over here and click on audio. So you can either upload a sound or record your voice, and when you record, it's going to generate a song for you. So that is how easy it is for you to be able to generate your own song. So this website has other features right here. So you can see AI music generator, AI lyrics generator, which I showed you, AI singing voice generator, AI song cover generator, AI music video. You can see you can also edit music here, AI vocal remover, AI stem splitter. These are all the features. So there's a 7-day login rewards. So if you log in every day, you are entitled to and free credits. You can see day 1 you get 2 credits, day 2 2 credits, day 3 get 4 credits, all to day 7. So you can see you can, you know, claim all these credits to generate your own sound, and you can also use it to generate your video. You can also invite and earn through this website. You can see if you send the link, friends generates music, and both of you get 10 credits for free. You can see it. So if you want to generate your video, you come over to these 3 lines here. You go to AI music video. So here you have the option of music visualizer, photo video, singing video, which is coming soon. It's not yet out, and story music video, which is coming soon. So you can go ahead and choose between the photo video or the music visualizer to generate your videos for your music. So to listen to the full song or watch the music video, I'll be leaving the link to the channel in the description of this video or in the pinned comment of this video so that you can go and check it out for yourself. So with this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified when I upload new video. And until I see you again in my next video, bye.